Okay, good evening everyone. Today we are going to look at calculus, but before we look at calculus, I would like us to know that this is a maths academy. So what is calculus? Calculus is a branch of mathematics that deal with the accumulations of quantity and the rate of change. That means what we are saying is that calculus is a branch of mathematics. That's when we have different branches of mathematics, which is statistics is part of them. We have probability is also branch of mathematics. We have geometry is also branch of mathematics. So we are not going there now. We are just looking at calculus as a topic. Calculus is a branch of mathematics that deal with the accumulations of quantity and the rate of change of that quantity. So actually we have two main branches of calculus, which is the differential calculus and the integral calculus. What is differential calculus? A differential calculus is the calculus that deal with the rate of change and the accumulations of quantity. Example, the rate of change of human body with respect to the person age is also part of differential calculus. That is the change sometimes person covered from one point to another with respect to time is an example of differential calculus also. Let's look at integral calculus. The integral calculus, this deal with the rate of change and accumulations of quantity under the curve. That is, the integral deal with the area under the curve. That's what the integral calculus deal with. And we have some basic formula that are or rules that are used to solve both the differential calculus and the integral calculus. The differential calculus talk about the rate of change with respect to one another, and we have some rule like quotient rule, we have some rule like product rule, we have some rule like sum rule. They are all rules that we use in differential calculus. Now let's look at an integral calculus. An integral calculus we have rules like integration by part. We also have rules like the method of substitution method and rule by partial fraction. They are also rules we use to solve the integral calculus. But actually the integral calculus is also divided into two major parts, which is the definite integral and the indefinite integral. The definite integral deal with the area under a curve with respect to the x-axis, whereby the indefinite integral deal with the accumulation of quantity with respect to the input of that quantity to solve the problem under the curve. So we're going to look into them in this channel, but I want you to subscribe. This is just a brief